I don't think any other choreographer would do that for anybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to really thank him for this. He also arranged for the costume with his team, Mr. Venkatesh. He and his team, they've been a great support for Alpine at the moment. Thank you, Mr. Praveen. This annual day wouldn't have been better if you weren't brought to participate. Thank you. Thank you, kids. You've been wonderful in all the 3 or 4 performances of yours. Am I forgetting anything? Am I forgetting anything? Are the kids waiting for something? What? Okay, Vanshika wants to remind me of something. What am I forgetting, Vanshika?
Results of annual day.
The results were out.
Prizes.
Correct. For the most awaited part, especially for the children, can we have the prize distribution ceremony? I would request the members of the MC, Mr. Vijay, Mr. Paras.
That's fine.
Anyone else there? This would be encouragement for the kids also. So please come. Anyone Indus India van?
Mr. Bablu or Mr. Vishwanath? Can we have somebody from the Indus end also? Went to Chaitali. Chaitali. The certificates are sponsored by Roots to Wings. Chaitali. The second prize for drawing went to Shreya. Shreya. Can we have Shreya on stage? Okay, the prize winners know who they are. Please come up on stage already and form a line there. Can we have... Shreya also won the first prize for electrician and extensor. One second. Shreya also won the second prize for dance. Can we have the other children down, please? Can we have all the children away? Shh. We request all the children to go down. Can the older kids help us in handling the kids here? Congratulations, Shreya. Shweta, can you take a picture? The first prize in poetry recitation went to Agni. Check. The second prize for poetry went to Nipun. We had sole entry Ipshita for singing. Ipshita, is she around? Ipshita can collect her prize from me later. The second prize for dance went to Bhuvi. Can we have Bhuvi on stage? Okay, let's I invite Mr. Vijay to come up on stage. We go to the next group. We had Rashi as the first prize winner for extempore. Rashi Makharia. And she also won the second place in elocution. Rashi, come fast. Rashi also won the second prize for dance. Well, do we need to tell that we need to clap for the winners? Rashi won the second prize for dance. Amodat was the first prize winner. Can we have Amodat on stage? Shivanshi won the first prize in drawing and second prize in elocution. Can we have Shivanshi on stage? Right, Shivanshi. Alright. Shivanshi, there's one more prize for you, Peter. For her, prize is not important. Her photo is important. Who's it? Neha won the first prize in singing and second prize in poetry. Rashi won the first prize in poetry and second prize in singing. Hold on a minute. Well, just in case people are wondering why only these kids have been getting the prizes, we had only 3 or 4 participants. So amongst these 3 or 4, we had to still conduct the competition because we can't penalize these kids because the other kids did not participate. Nandana won the second prize for extempore. Nandana? Simi won the first prize in drawing. Do we have Simi here? Or her sister Nimi? Okay. Can we hear louder claps for them? At least these kids took the trouble of coming and even our activities went fruitful. Which we did. The first place for extempore and the first place for elocution, Ayushi. Remember her? She was a Michael Jackson. Ayushi. Radhika won the first place in dance. Can we have Radhika on stage? Shalini won the first prize in drawing. Who's this? And the second place in elocution. Congratulations. Janvi won the first place in singing. Kavya won the first place in elocution and second place in singing. Congratulations, Kavya. वो तुम्हारे काफी मैंने निकाला in the ladies category and Preeta won the second prize for singing in the ladies category.
What did we say?
You were Pooja and Preeta? The little kids of Alpine have organized for some games. After the prize distribution, you can join them for the games. Anandi Basu won the first place in singing and the second place in drawing. Anandi also won the first place in dance. Soumya won the second place in elocution. Pragya. Okay, the congratulations I'm just saying in between, okay? It goes to all the winners. Anika won the second place in poetry. Vani won the second place in singing. Riddhi won the second place for dance, for extempo, the first place for poetry, and the second place in singing. Shweta won the first place in elocution and the second place in extempo. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have participation certificates which will be distributed on Monday. You all can collect it from the Alpine Estate office, the association office. Thank you Mr. Tej, Mr. Vijay and Paras for doing the needful.
So on behalf of the management committee, I would like to thank the cultural committee for organizing this event. I think I personally enjoyed it, and I'm sure that all of you enjoyed it as well. Special thanks to Anita. She has been driving this, all alone. Great job done by Anita. So big round of applause for her. So I think, there have been, a lot of, people working on this, on this event at the back end. So Pooja, Pratibha, of course, Paras has been leading as well. So very well done. And I think, I've personally seen in last 2 years, there has been sort of, evolution in terms of, if you really use a corporate, word called continuous improvement. So the events which have been right from 31st of December to now, I see a significant change in terms of the way they have been presenting it. So today has been fabulous, right from the gate till this stage. I support you from the bottom of your heart. Thank you very much. Bye.
But one dies for even dead for people who have been kind. Some such names I'd really like to mention, that though they've not been a part of the cultural committee in any formal way, they've stood by me at every step of life in these few days. This event did not happen just overnight. Megha, Pratibha, Indu, Anita, Anu, Prema, Disha, Aparna, Aradhana, Atul, Ravi, Praveen Sir, Anupa, Nisha,